Primeline has been around since the 1970s. We have been focused on window and door repair hardware, and the founder of the company saw that need in the market. He was an inventor by trade. He loved the window and door category, and he built Primeline.
We're located in Redlands, which is a beautiful city at the base of the Foothill Mountains with wonderful weather most of the year long.
There's a great old downtown, just about 10 minutes from here, with great offerings, food, entertainment. So it's kind of a quiet place, but it still has a lot to offer.
Redlands is a great place to live because it's a smaller community. It's got a lot of historic value, short distance to the beach, short distance to the mountains.
Primeline's a great place to work for many reasons. We're in Southern California, which has some of the best weather. The people here are great. They're all hardworking and want what's best for Primeline, working together.
What makes Primeline a great place to work is the diversity of our people. Diversity of thought, diversity of backgrounds, and also what makes us unified. We're unified in our desire to take care of our customers.
We're allowed to express what needs to be done without fear of any reprisal. We're allowed to think outside the box all the time and bring new ideas to the management team to get a typical new answer rather than having to do things the same way all the time. We're encouraged to work independently, and the management team here takes our safety very serious, and we always feel that we have a good place to come and work.
What makes Primeline a great place to work is there are a ton of opportunities for growth and career development. I started out fresh out of college in sales operations before there was even an e-commerce department, and now I am the senior e-commerce manager.
There are plenty of opportunities to continue to grow individually and in your space and expand and learn other challenges. I myself started in the shop floor 40 years ago and have risen up to the level of senior vice president.
I love working for Primeline because there's so much opportunity here, and it's a great group of people. It's a group that is growing, expanding, and it's an industry that we're helping people. We're providing a service that is necessary to the community.
When I first came to work for Primeline, I started in the warehouse 24 years ago. I started picking orders, and slowly but surely, I did get promoted to being a supervisor.
You come in, you meet amazing people, and you learn a lot. I started from the very beginning, and I worked my way up.
The environment allows a person to not only capitalize on their passions, but also have the ability to kind of take that and grow.
I believe Primeline is a great place to work at just because of the people that work here. The people is what makes the place.
One of the best things about Primeline is being part of the Great Star family. It allows a smaller company to participate in all the benefits of a bigger organization. So we are able to combine benefits, we're able to combine resources, we're able to share knowledge and give different experiences to people.
The ideal employee for Primeline is someone who's passionate about our customers, someone who enjoys the window and hardware category, someone who's willing to learn, someone who's excited to get up every day and learn more about our customers and what we can do to satisfy their needs.